somebody at the office. Why today? Why when we did it? And then things just missing.
I wonder for that big fat sour bread that day. Me not trust him, you know?
Remember say me that tell you that the other day, you know?
Me say, me sorry me never poison in coffee. Hold on. Let us not get ahead of ourselves. Him don't know say we are praying. So we still have a chance.
You get what you're saying now? But look on it. We system them shut down. We pass them deactivated. We get completely locked out of the building.
Whisper, I still not think you realize who David Mullins is. You realize I'm just stepped down graciously without a fight? Because he always have a contingency plan though.
Can bet him I go bust a Terminator. I'll be back.
I just have to stay and face the music.
Just like that? Just so?
If I leave now, that would be very suspicious. And then I'd be haunted.
You know, there are places we could go where none of them couldn't find it.
What? You would hide me?
I wouldn't use the word hide. More like relocate.
But that would mean you giving up everything here.
You know, I have been planning for something like this for a long, long time.
You were planning on running away?
Well, yeah. There's a point in my life where I couldn't trust nobody. And my brother never have a good relationship. So, buy a place where I know I could run with if things get too sticky, too dangerous.
And this is the place you would want to take me?
Yeah.
You've always made me feel so special. And that's why I felt so guilty. But I couldn't run from this.
So you prefer be a sitting duck?
No, but I still have to wait and hear on what they plan to do. After all, it's still my job.
The job? I mean the same job where they're planning one assassination?
Wait, what? How you know that?
Because the Angie couple nights ago.
What? Why?
Look, me didn't need to know how severe the situation was.
And you decide to go to my supervisor to get that information?
Celine, you never did tell me nothing.
And she just volunteered the information like that? I wonder, how did you persuade her?
We did hear say this a coming. Shepherd tell me. What him tell us? Him say a empty chair. A big empty chair. And then him say, when one door shut, and next door open. And when one journey done, another one start.
That's all him say about the empty chair. I'm not tell you what I feel it or what I'm going on.
Me? Bubbles, all that I got happen if we get shut out of the office, it no must mean literally. It can be figuratively. Mr. Mullins a step down. Me have to step up.
Really, Celine? You can't be serious. We do this because of you, you know.
But it's not your business, Carlton. I mean, I don't mean to sound ungrateful, you know, but this is something I have to deal with.
Let me ask you something. Why you never tell me that there's a possibility them don't want to get rid of you?
Because they wouldn't.
But that Bubbles say, if them find out say compromise, them have to get rid of you.
That means take me off the grid. So they would ultimately fake my death, then relocate me.
Would that mean nobody will know you by it?
Well, obviously they would.
But I wouldn't.
Wait. Let me just hear what Mr. Mullins has to say. Babe, I owe the agency a lot.
So, I guess we'll just have to play the waiting game.
One thing I can tell you, he'll do whatever he can to fix the situation.
You plan to tell him about us?
Yes, I do.
That if Bubbles not tell him already.
If he finds out, it would be based on surveillance, not by Bubbles.
Why?
Because she's a woman and she understands. And I trust her.
So I'm have your place under surveillance?
Yes?
Inside the house?
Especially inside the house.
What?
No. We have a privacy policy. So only the front and the back. And it's all for security purposes.
So, what about where we meet and talk?
It's a blind spot.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So I guess that's where I should drop you off after this, right?
No. I want you to take me home.
Home?
And keep my company until tomorrow.
Silly.
Please don't question it.
Okay, ma'am. Whatever you say.
Are we ready?
Oh yes. Check, please. Check.